How to add a marker in CapCut PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add a marker in CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to import a video or whatever you're working on. So let's say this is a project right here that I'm working on. So I've just added this to my timeline. After that, you can play the video, and wherever you want the marker to be at, make sure that this pointer line is at that very point. So let's say that I want it at the 6 seconds. So I can just add it here. And after it's at the 6 seconds, here you'll find an option right in this section called Add Marker. So here you'll find the Add Marker option. You can simply tap on that and a marker will be added right here. If you just just stay here and then click on Add Marker, it will be added on the point right above here. That's on the time scale and not on the image itself or on the video itself. If you want to delete it, you can simply select it, remove it. It's completely up to you. And that's basically how you do it. And it's much more easier to navigate. It has the magnet function here. As you can see, it sticks to the marker. And yeah, that's basically how you do this. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.